Next in Python, we are going to check number of consonants within a given string. So text, which is a variable in which we are taking input of a string, input, enter a string. Now another variable count, to which we are giving value 0. Now we'll go for loop for ch, which is another variable, and text, which is our string. For ch and text, now here we are putting condition if ch dot is alpha. If that character is alphabet and ch not in a e i o u. If ch is an alphabet, this method checks whether the given character is alphabet. If it is alphabet and if ch not in a e i o u, that means if it is not vowel, then count equals to count plus 1. If any of these condition is wrong, it is this whole condition will be wrong. So if both the conditions are true, then count variable value will increase by 1, and when this loop will get over, when string finishes, then it is going to print variable count, consonant count. Print consonant count equals to, and here we are going to print our count variable. Save it and run it. So here it is asking us enter a string, and here I am giving hello world. We can see that H, E, L, L, three consonant, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it should be giving 7 answers. So consonant count is 7. Another time if we rerun it, like here I am giving the string. Here in the string it is saying there are 8 consonants.